Hi guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to glue baste your English paper piecing parts. So basically you glue the fabric to a piece of cardstock. I like to use cardstock for my English paper piecing, and you use this glue that you can get from any quilting store, or I think they even sell them on Amazon. So let me show you how to use glue for English paper piecing. Oh, and there's also a bell on my YouTube channel, so if you press that you'll get notified every single time I make a video. I always tell you guys that I'm not paid or sponsored to create this video, and I am not. So I am using this particular adhesive for my English paper piecing. It is a glue that is by Sewline. I'm assuming that most of these glue sticks for English paper piecing are pretty much the same. So it comes in like one of these pens, and you can twist it open and then twist it closed. And then these are the actual refills for these. I live in Canada and the refills were $6. And don't throw the pen away. I actually did have a pen back in the day, and I think I actually put it in the garbage. I think I got a little bit frustrated with doing glue on English paper piecing, but now I think I'm going to change my mind. So let's get started. My particular English paper piecing template is 2 inches. It's 2 inches this way. So basically, I think what I did before when I tried to use glue with English paper piecing was, I think I was art and crafting or something, because really you're just using the glue as a basting. So just like you would baste the actual corners down, so you're not actually just like stitching everything down, you're just basting it, and you're using this glue for English paper piecing exactly the same fashion. So you're just basting the fabric down to the paper. You're not putting glue like all over the paper to make sure it actually sticks. We're just basting the fabric down using the English paper piecing glue. So for my 2-inch template, my Hexagon template, I'm going to use a 2.5-inch square. So this was basically off a jelly roll that I'm creating with my English paper piecing. And basically you would place your 2-inch hexagon on top of the fabric like so. So when you're not using the English paper piecing glue, make sure that you place the cap on so you don't leave the glue just sitting out, because it's going to dry out. So basically, remember, we are not arts and crafting. We are just using the glue to baste the fabric in place. And also, don't do the glue all the way at the top. Come down a little bit and then fold the fabric over. I always use cardstock for my English paper piecing because it's nice and firm, and I can fold it over that cardstock. And then you're going to come around and you're going to do the same thing again. You're just going to do a strip of glue. Remember, we're not arts and crafting. We are just holding that fabric down temporarily for us. So when we come to the next stage and we sew the hexagons into place, then that's where we're going to grip everything into place, kind of thing. So just go along, and have you noticed I'm going over the top of this fabric as well as I'm doing it? I'm not going at the top of the cardstock, and then I'm just going to fold that over into place and then just press down. And then you go across again and then fold over the fabric, press that down, and then go over it again with the glue, and then fold your English paper piecing section over the template. And then you come into the last section here. So we're just going to... And this glue is water soluble, and I think that's what I didn't understand the first time around. Remember, put the cap on after you're finished with it. Basically, when we come to wanting to take these templates out, we are going to spritz it with water because it's water soluble, hey? So, and also you don't want to use too much glue. you're just basting. So there we go. It's just as nice as when I am pressing my English paper piece in, and then I'm just gonna press it down, and then you would just take your next English paper piece in part and you would start again, gluing it into place. So when you're doing your English paper piece and when you're on the move, it's obviously so much better to use the glue. The way I used to do it when I used to sit in the basement or whatever, or watching TV, I would be using my iron to press it down, and then I would baste stitch all of these down here. Now I want to be doing this on the go now, so the glue is going to play a really important part. I'm probably going to have to do a block of these and show you guys how I remove this paper template once I have them all in, because generally I would take away this paper template going forward and I would stitch my two hexagon English paper piece and parts together, and I would take these papers out and use them again. Now doing it this way, you kind of want to keep your paper templates inside until you've actually stitched everything into place, and then you can take these pieces of paper out. I hope you've enjoyed watching this video. I make hundreds and hundreds of sewing and quilting tutorials, so don't forget to subscribe, and I hope I've given you a better understanding on how this glue actually works. And like I said, just a reminder, it's not arts and crafts, you're just using it just to baste. Thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.